Hello, my name is Jeffrey Mr. Tech Raskin. I'm a fellow Realtor, GRI, ePro, Certified Zip Form Transaction Desk, RPR, Monsoon, and teach anything that deals with real estate and real estate technology. Thank you for coming to our website. Please take a look at our calendar, our different courses that we give, and all ADRE CE courses teaching about the latest and greatest bleeding edge technology. We also give one-on-one lessons, group lessons, help you with your transaction desk or zip form templates, and anything else that will help to double and triple your real estate business. Thank you for visiting our website, and take a look around, and welcome to Real Estate Technology.